जय स्वामीनारायण। स्टैंडर्ड 6 इंग्लिश, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, यूनिट नंबर 3, वाटर, वाटर everywhere. First of all, we write glossary in your notebook. Puddle means small pool of liquid on the ground, જેને આપણે ગુજરાતીમાં ખાબોચિયું કહીએ. Hose means plastic pipe. Awake means not sleeping. Splash means to liquid fall. Splash means ખાબોચિયામાં આપણે કોઈને ધક્કો માર દઈએ, ખાબોચિયામાં રમીએ, splash. Today we are going to discuss water everywhere. We know on our earth water is everywhere, but how much water is drinkable, how much water is not drinkable. In our unit we learn how to use water in day-to-day life. Some person waste water in unnecessary things. So in our unit activity 1, this unit is about water that is necessary for life on our planet. Look at the picture, write the name of many objects as you can. What is happening to water in the picture? ગુજરાતીમાં આપણે એને જલ ચક્ર કહીએ છીએ. How to we get rain? First of all, water fall on the earth. The sun heat hot the water of the earth and warmth evaporate, climb up in the sky and made cloud. And in monsoon we get rain from the sky. So in our picture we can see clouds, rain, sun and groundwater. Groundwater means rivers, sea and small pond, small lake covered with water in this picture. In activity 2, water boy part 1. Activity 1, water boy part 1. Vijay liked, in this unit character's name is Vijay, liked to play with water. बहुत सारे बच्चे जिसको पानी में खेलना अच्छा लगता है. He liked to play with water in many ways. पानी में खेलने के बहुत सारे तरीके हैं. He liked to fill up the big tub with water and play with his toy boat in there. सबसे पहले सबसे बड़ा tub, fill up the water and he make boat and swim in the water. These types of games are also played by children. He liked to make big mud puddle in the garden and pretend it was lake. He liked to make big mud puddle, मतलब क्यारी, पानी भरने का पानी और इसमें खेलने का. He liked to open the hose, place his friend when they walked by. पानी की पाइप से जब पानी आता है तो सब फ्रेंड को पानी का छंटकाव करना, स्प्लैश, तो इस तरह बच्चे पानी में बहुत सारे खेलते, और सारे इन अवर ग्लोबलाइजेशन, not only children but every human being waste the water. First of the woman, lots of water waste in washing the clothes, washing the utensils, washing the car, and lots of water used in field, garden, and cleaning the house, and cleaning in industry. So in our unit we learn not waste water, but we can use minimum of water. In standard 4th or 6th in Gujarati, Mahatma Gandhi ji write lesson, ખપ પૂરતું પાણી વાપરવું. On our planet there are lots of natural resources, but we use minimum of every natural resource: oil, petrol, water, tree, paper, cloth. Everything is important to every living being, not only human. We know on our planet birds, insects, animals, human beings cannot live without water. One moment, water is elixir. Water is elixir for our life. So we can use minimum water. His mother told him many times not to waste water. जब मदर बच्चे को बोलती है कि water, don't waste the water, but he did not listen, क्योंकि बच्चा अभी समझता नहीं, बच्चे को पता नहीं कि what is the price of water. One day his mother decided to take him with her to visit her brother. माँ जब अपने मायके जाती, अपने फादर के वहाँ, मतलब मामा के घर, तब बच्चे को, विजय को साथ में ले जाती. Vijay's uncle stayed in small village. વિજયના અંકલ એટલે મામા એક સામાન્ય ગામમાં રહેતા હતા. Vijay was very happy to go because he would be able to play with his cousin. Vijay also enthusiastic because he would be able to play with his cousin, brother, sisters, etc. Vijay and his mother arrived at his uncle's place late at night. जब सुबह निकले थे शाम, मतलब नाइट में लेट वहाँ पर पहुँचे. एंड विजय वेंट ऑफ टू स्लीप. वहाँ पर जाके विजय सो गया. सडनली इन मिडल ऑफ द नाइट, मतलब 2 बजे नाइट में, विजय वॉक अप. विजय जग गया. देयर वॉज अ लॉट ऑफ नॉइज आउटसाइड हिज रूम. इसके रूम के बाहर बहुत सारा नॉइज, इस घोंघाट मीन्स आवाज हो रहा था. विजय कुड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. विजय को समझ में नहीं आया क्यों. वाई सो मेनी पीपल वेर अवेक एट नाइट. मेनी पीपल अवेक एट नाइट मतलब रात को बहुत सारे लोग क्यों जग रहे हैं. बट ही वॉज वेरी टायर्ड. वो थका हुआ था. वेरी सुन ही फेल बैक ए स्लीप. वो फिर से सो गया. मीन्स गांव में जब पानी कम होता है तब एक दो दिन में एक बार, कभी भी आ सकता है, कोई भी टाइम में आ सकता है, कोई टाइमिंग फिक्स नहीं है। तो अंकल के, विजय के अंकल मिस मामा के वहाँ पानी नाइट में 2 बजे आ रहे थे, तब सब लोग दौड़ा दौड़ करके पानी भर रहे थे, इसका आवाज़ आ रहा था। बहुत सारे बर्तन भर लेते, क्योंकि एक दो दिन के लिए नहीं आता, बाद में तीसरे दिन आता, एक दो दिन नहीं आता, तीसरे दिन आता। इस तरह पानी गांव में नहीं था, दूर दूर से कहाँ से एक बार आता था, एक दो दिन के बाद। तो इस तरह जहाँ गांव है, जहाँ इन ऑन अवर प्लानेट so many area people do not drink, people do not get drinkable water, and we live in city, we waste lots of water, we do not importance of water, but sometimes we have time and go to village and see all the situation how to use water in village. So my friend, we complete activity number 2. Next we start activity number 3. What character have been mentioned in his story for? What character? Vijay, his mother, uncle. While Vijay was sleeping, something happened to wake up the other people in the house. What do you imagine might have happened? What would you guess? People. Fill up the water or people have some trouble. We write 2 sentences. लोग क्यों जग रहे थे? तो पीपल फिल अप द वाटर, पानी भरने के लिए, और पीपल हैव सम ट्रबल, जब आदमी को कोई ट्रबल होती तब नाइट में खड़े होके वो काम कर लेता है। 2 है। तीसरा नंबर है, आस्क योर क्लासमेट व्हाट दे थिंक माइट हैव हैपेंड इन द हाउस, राइट डाउन द आइडिया ऑफ योर क्लासमेट दैट यू फाइंड मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग। आस्क योर क्लासमेट व्हाट दे थिंक माइट हैव हैपेंड इन द हाउस, जब घर में ऐसा बनता है पानी के लिए, तो राइट डाउन आइडियाज योर क्लासमेट। तो आइडिया लिखना है, आइडिया है वी यूज मिनिमम वाटर इन आवर डेली यूज। माय डियर फ्रेंड, टुडे we say sometimes we wash our mouths. Only 1 liter is enough to wash our mouth. Suppose you use 2 liter water, okay, but sometimes some people use 3 or 4 liter water in wash your mouth. So, bathing, sometimes we fond of bathing on fountain, ફુવારામાં નાવાની ટેવ. On fountain, we waste minimum 20 to 30 liter water in our bath. नहाने के लिए अगर फुवारा से आप नहाते हैं 25 से 30 लीटर पानी वेस्ट। अगर हम बकेट में भर के नहाते तो 10 लीटर पानी में हम बात कर सकते हैं। इस तरह हम वाटर का मिनिमम यूज कर सकते हैं। ऑन अवर प्लानेट 6 hours people live and plant, insect, etc. So every human being save only 1 liter water in a day. Think how many liter water we save in only 1 day. And we multiply with 30 days and multiply with 12 months. So, how many liter water save on our planet? Activity number 4. Water Boy Part 2. Activity number 4. Next morning, Vijay wake up. Activity number 4. Next morning, Vijay got up and went to the bathroom. When he opened the tap, there was no water. बाथरूम में गया, चकली चालू किया, पानी नहीं आया. He looked around, इसे देखा and found water stored in many buckets. बहुत सारी bucket में water store किया हुआ. He was surprised and asked his cousin about it. वो सरप्राइज होके पूछने लगा, why you store a lots of water? His cousin replied to Vijay, in our village, not every day, but day after day, we get water from public tap, and our whole family go to tap and collect water, and we use 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. So Vijay was understanding. His cousin Rajesh, cousin का नाम है राजेश, explained that there was no water anywhere. यहाँ पर कहाँ पानी नहीं है. It not rained for couple of years. बहुत सारे 3-4 साल से बारिश नहीं हुई है. Couple of years and all the lakes had dried up. सब lake dried up मतलब सूख गए हैं, पानी नहीं है. They had to depend on some water that came from one tap, and they had to keep awake to see that they did not miss it. एक वन टैप है, वहाँ पर सब लोग जाते लाइन में खड़े रहते पानी भरते. अगर हम मिस कर दिया तो हमको पानी नहीं मिलता है 2 दिन के बाद. एंड कम एनी डे एंड एनी टाइम, कौन से दिन पे आता है और कौन से टाइम में आता है कोई ठिकाना नहीं है. लास्ट नाइट लकीली, लास्ट नाइट मतलब कल नाइट में लकीली द वाटर हैड कम, बट इट माइट बी डेज बिफोर इट केम अगेन. Till then, they would have only used the water they had collected in the night. Rajesh told Vijay to be careful and not to waste water. My dear friend, we learn, we use water, but we minimum use of water. We do not waste water. Today, we discuss activity number 4. Next video, we discuss activity 4 again, and you watch the video and understand the lesson, how to use water, how to save water, and do not waste water. Jai Swaminarayan.